Hello everyone, welcome to Needs Education. This is your class 7th Maths, lesson number 3 decimals. In the previous parts of this chapter, we had discussion about units of measurement. There are main 3 types of units of measurement: units of length, units of mass and units of capacity. From that, units of length we already discussed in previous part. So today we will discuss conversion of mass. Mass we can also call as weight. Mass, that means weight. So now let's see about these units. The standard unit of mass or weight is gram. What is the standard unit of mass? It is gram. Let's see some another units of mass. First one is kilogram. Kilogram you can indicate as kg, small k, small g. Then hectogram, hg, decagram, dag, gram, which is standard unit and we can indicate as small g. Then decigram, dg, centigram, cg and milligram, mg. Now as you all know, to convert unit of mass into another unit of mass, we need to remember this all units in specific sequence. So now let's see, and here I am going to provide you one short trick. With help of that you can easily remember this all units in specific sequence and which can be helpful in your conversion. Now let's see quickly. So as you can see on the board, I have written one statement which is King Harry died, grandmother don't cry much. If you remember, I have given this statement for units of length like that: King Harry died, mother don't cry much. Here also we are using same statement, but instead of mother we are using grandmother word, right? So King Harry died, grandmother don't cry much. Now let's write units of mass from this. K stands for kilogram, which we can indicate as kg. H stands for hectogram, hg. D for decagram, dag. Grandmother, this G stands for gram, which is our standard unit. Don't, decigram, dg. Cry, centigram, cg. Much, milligram, that is mg. So here we have written units of mass from this statement: King, kilogram, Harry, H for hectogram, died, D for decagram, grandmother, G for gram, don't, D for decigram, cry much, C for centigram and M for milligram. So this is the units of mass in particular sequence. We all are knowing this is our standard unit, so we can also write as SI unit. This all units are smaller and this all units are greater units. So to convert greater units into smaller, we are multiplying, and to convert smaller unit into greater one, we are dividing. By how much we are multiplying and how much we are dividing? So each of this consists 10, and here also it is 10. So accordingly we are going to count the sequence, number of place, and we are going to divide or multiply. Now let's see by some examples so that we are having clear idea how to convert one unit of mass into another unit of mass. So as you can see, I have written 3 examples on the board. Let's see one by one. First one is 43.629 kilogram to gram. So whenever you are asking for conversion, you need to write units of. These are units of mass. So you need to write units of mass into specific sequence. Just now we have studied King Harry died, grandmother don't cry much. And with the help of this sentence, we all are able to write the sequence. Let's do it first. King, kilogram, Harry, hectogram, died, decagram, mother, grandmother, that is gram, don't cry much, decagram, centigram and milligram. Now here in the first example, we want to convert kilogram to gram. Let's find kilogram and gram in our sequence. Here it is kilogram, here it is gram. We need to convert kilogram to gram. That means greater unit to smaller. That means we need to multiply. By how much we need to multiply? Let's count the place. 1, 2 and 3. So we need to multiply by 1000. Let's do it. 43.629 multiplied by 1000. If we are going to multiply by 1000, we will get the answer is 43,629 gram. Let's say second example, 3.15 gram to milligram. Let's find our gram and milligram. Here it is gram and here it is milligram. Again, greater unit into smaller unit, we need to multiply. By how much we need to multiply? Let's count the place. 1, 2 and 3. So again we are going to multiply by 1000. 3.15 multiplied by 1000. If we are going to do the multiplication, we will get the answer as 3150. What is unit? Milligram. Let's say third example, 1.865 decigram to kilogram. Find decigram and kilogram in our sequence. Where is decigram? Here it is. And where is kilogram? Here it is. So we need to convert decigram to kilogram. That means from smaller unit to bigger unit. And if we are converting smaller unit to bigger one, we need to divide. Let's count the place and accordingly we will divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10,000. We are going to divide 1.865 by 10,000. Answer we will get as 0.000185 kilogram. So this is how we are able to convert units of mass into another units of mass by just one sequence. It is very easy. My dear students, with the help of this sequence, we are able to understand how to convert the units, but you should also know how to multiply and how to divide decimals. If you are having any query, I have already published my videos regarding multiplication of decimal and division of decimal. So please go through that video and be clear with these things. Then only you are able to do the conversion very properly. So this is all for today. See you in my next video. Thank you everyone.